using a first-line indent in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, Deborah here, and I'm going to demonstrate how to create a first-line indent and why it is such a valuable method. In Microsoft Word, there's lots of different ways you can indent a paragraph, but this way makes it a lot easier to do this for the entire document all at once instead of just one paragraph at a time. On my screen is just 3 paragraphs of text, and I want to make sure that you see where this ruler is. If you don't see the ruler on your version of Word, go up to the View tab, click View, and put a check mark here where it says Ruler. So if all you want is a first-line indent in any given paragraph, all you have to do is place your flashing insertion point anywhere inside the paragraph. It doesn't have to be at the beginning of the first line. It can be anywhere. Then go up to the ruler and grab the first button, the slider button on the very top. If you hover your mouse pointer over it, it will even tell you this is first line indent. So just click and drag that button and see what's happening in the paragraph. Even though I didn't have my flashing insertion point at the beginning of the word now, it is still indenting just the first line of that paragraph. And here's a half-inch indent, a full-inch indent, and so on. Okay, I'm going to undo what I just did, and I'm going to show you how to apply a first-line indent on the first line of every paragraph in an entire document all at once. First, what you need to do is select all the text in the document, no matter how long it is. And you can do that quickly by holding down the Control key, the CTRL key on your keyboard, and tapping the letter A. That selects all text in the document. Then you can use the slider button again and watch what happens to the document as I slide this button to the right. The first line of every paragraph is being indented. And so this is really a great feature in Word to make your first line indent of every paragraph happen very quickly.